I figured out that I'm starting to be in the algorithm. Hey, dog, can you just please? I've got to start being in the algorithm, and I need you to like the button. And I realized that you're not subscribing. So the evilest thing that I can do right now, right, is to tell you, scroll the video, you'll have Satan. Subscribe, you'll have God with me. And I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna subscribe. Forced to subscribe and be tormented by your love for everything. I'm in my detective room with my cat Milo. Good night. Oh, Milo. Shink. Come back. I wanna get out of this room. I wanna get out. Get out. Video is over. And you better subscribe. All this will continue. No, it's small. Milo. Hey, Milo, you can't take over my job. Yes, my nigga, I can. Yeah. Perfect. Sab.